Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom code on Webflow. First, open your Webflow dashboard and select your project. Now go to Site Settings. Inside Settings, click on the Custom Code tab. To add code for your entire website, scroll to the Head Code section. Here you can paste your custom code, such as meta tags, external links, or styles. This code will be added before the closing head tag and will apply to all pages of your site. After adding the code, click on Save Changes to apply it. Next, if you want to add code in the footer, go to the Footer Code section in the same Custom Code tab. Paste your code here. This code will appear before the closing body tag and will also apply to the entire website. Again, click on Save Changes after adding the code. Now, if you want to add custom code to a single page, only open your site in designer mode. Then select the page you want to edit and open Page Settings. In the Custom Code section, you will see an option called Inside Head Tag. Add your code here if you want it to apply only to that specific page. Then click Save. If you want to add code before the closing body tag for that page, go to the Before Body Tag section inside Page Settings. Paste your code there and click Save. After saving everything, publish your site to make sure all custom code changes are applied and visible on your website. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.